Have you ever thought about renovating your house, but you're concerned that the way you're envisioning it is not the way it's going to turn out? People come to us because they want our help. They have this vision of what their house is going to look like.
But then they're afraid, they're concerned, and they ask, what if it's ugly? Or I just don't like it? What if it doesn't solve my problems? What if it costs more than I can afford? These are all valid concerns. So what we tell them is, we just keep on going until you do like it.
But really, we make sure we listen, but even more importantly, we ask the right questions, and a lot of them. We ask what's important to you, what style do you like, what your tastes are, what do you like about your house, what do you hate about your house. We ask you so that we can understand what you want, because we really need to understand what you want to give you exactly what that is. And we work with you so that we can really understand the essence of what you want. And often we come up with unique and innovative ways of getting that for you, and possibly something that you never would have even thought of.
And we're often humbled by our clients, but we really want to share this with you because we just love our clients so much. And it makes us feel so good when our clients are happy. And over the past 27 years, here's some of the things that our clients have said to us.
So many of our clients say, you read my mind.
And Jenna told us it was so much more than I ever dreamed it could be.
And Larry said to me, hiring you was the best money we spent on this project.
And then Teresa, I love my house. And I run into her from time to time, and she tells me that on a regular basis.
And Jen's mom said, you work magic.
And so it's the same people who had those same concerns we were talking about before working with us. So if you're considering renovating your house and want us to work magic for you so that we can transform your house and thereby transform your life, give us a call.
And after you get it on your calendar, or before you get it on your calendar, go ahead and stalk us online. Look at our website, Facebook, house. We have lots of pictures and info online. And so you can see what we've done, and you don't have to just take our word for it.